Please don't forget to click on that subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated with all the videos we post in future from totsandmoms.com.
Hi people, good morning and welcome to Tots and Moms. I'm Kavita Prashant and today I'm making baked yogurt with jaggery. This can also be called as baked Mishti Doi. Bengal people, please excuse me, I'm not very good at how it is called in Bengal with that accent, but I'm sure I'm going to make this yummy dish because I have experimented a lot on this dish and this came out very yummy, and my child who is 4-year-old liked it. And when summer is just coming and you want to try out few dishes which can be served cold, this is one such easy yummy recipe. It doesn't take much of a time and very minimal ingredients, but the result was amazing. A great dessert to be served when you have people coming in, kids coming in home with colorful Ramekins. So let's dive right in and see how to make this baked yogurt or baked Mishti Doi.
I'm taking a bowl and adding thick curd first, followed by milk cream. The measurement and details of all the ingredients are given on our blog and below in the description box. Please have a look. Jaggery. I've used organic Jaggery Powder from Tots and Moms organic food store, so you can have a look at that as well. Mix until jaggery dissolves. You don't have to whisk it too much. Now I'm adding Cardamom Powder, followed by Milkmaid Condensed Milk. This has been the best brand I have been using. My mother is using it and many households use this trusted brand, right? So now we'll mix it. Don't allow it to settle down, immediately mix it. And the mixture is all ready. There is nothing much you have to do. We will take Ramekins and pour the mixture to it carefully. And if you don't have these, you can use any mud pots or you can use just these cupcake aluminium bowls and add it here and keep it ready. Now I'm taking a baking tray and adding in little water, about half an inch. So you will have to ensure that you preheat the oven before you start the mixing procedure. So at 180 degrees centigrade for 10 minutes you can preheat and keep it ready. And this method will follow to bake our yogurt. So I've kept it like this in the middle rack, only the bottom rod is heated. I am baking it at 180 degrees centigrade. So once done, allow it to cool it down completely. I was eager to see the results, so I have just taken out a spoon like this. Once it is cooled down, you can see a nice texture. So this is the glazy baked yogurt with jaggery.
As said, this didn't take much time to prepare, isn't it? It takes very minimal ingredients. You just have to mix it up and wait for it to bake in the oven. So you can steam it in your pot as well. Just keep little water below, allow it to boil, and then keep the Ramekins and allow it to cook for about 30 minutes just like this. I'm sure it would come out great, just like how we baked it. So hope you like this recipe. If you did, please make it and give it to your kids, and do let me know how they liked it in the comment section. And subscribe to our channel for more such yummy recipes. Thank you for watching this video till now. Bye bye.